Hey, let me show you how I make barbecue chicken breast with seasoned rice. Instead of throwing away your leftover chicken soup, take out all the dumplings, yam and them something that we can go in a rice and put it one side. And in a Jamaican household, all of them yam and dumpling and them something they can fry up for breakfast a morning, right? So you're going to put your soup in a pot, add some water to it, enough water to cook the amount of rice that you want to cook. We are going to add some pepper and some more scallion and thyme to nice it up. Put in your amount of rice. I am using 2 cups of rice because this is only sharing for 2 persons. And you mix it up, cover it up. I add some green pepper and a little piece of thyme and cover it back down. So while my rice is steam over there, so I'm gonna dice up some chicken breast nicely in some cubes. Guys, if you are loving this recipe so far, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you won't miss an upload. It's now time to season my chicken breast. I'm seasoning with some all-purpose paprika, garlic powder, and you can season with whatever season you want. Now I'm massaging my seasoning, and I am adding some mixed vegetable to the top of the rice because it's almost done steam. Now I'm add my chicken to a little bit of oil to brown it up. My chicken is almost done, so now I am going to add some barbecue sauce to the pot. Saute that, adding a little bit more barbecue sauce, and this is it, guys. Remember, the rice is already seasoned and everything, so we just, yep, look at that, beautiful, isn't it? And very delicious. Now I'm just garnishing with some fresh parsley, and it's ready to serve. Take a look at this, guys. Look at that, delicious. And this is how I just love my rice, nice and well steamed. Try this recipe, you won't be disappointed.